Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not aware, I did a fitness video about 6 months ago and then I just never did anything with it. I never updated anything or continued the series. If you guys know, the gym is a really big part of our life. We even have a gym in our basement and we work out about 4 to 5 times a week. I'm a little hesitant about putting this on my channel just because I don't want my channel to be kind of all over the place. Even though it is going to be a separate series and its own part of the channel, I don't know if it's going to be too much. So if you guys are subscribed to me and are my actual friends and stuff like that, let me know down below if you are interested in seeing this part of my life. Because although I love home decor and everything that has to do with DIYing on a budget and stuff like that, and shop with me's, which that's what I've been doing a lot lately, I do have other aspects of my life that I do want to share, but I don't know if it's going to be too much. It's just kind of like a big jumble of everything. I don't want it to look too messy. So the last time I filmed anything that had to do with fitness on my channel, it was about December, I believe. And a lot has changed, as you can see. We are almost done with our gym, not quite, just because we are taking our time and life has been really, really crazy right now. I am going to give you a little physique update later on in the video. And I felt like this was the right time to start documenting like everything, just because I'm starting to take everything more seriously. My nutrition hasn't been the best and I haven't been on top of it as much, even though I work out all the time, 4 to 5 times a week. It's kind of a waste of time. I finally realized that it was kind of a waste of time if I'm not eating properly. Like, I'm not going to reach my goals. I'm kind of at a standstill right now, and I'll show you in a bit, because I'm working out, but I'm not eating like the healthiest. So it's kind of like there's no point. I'm kind of wasting my time. So I'm actually buckling down. I'm doing what works for me. I don't know if I'm going to count macros. I did that before when I lost a lot of weight. If you guys want to see my journey, I'll link my Instagram down below. I did the Katie Hearn challenge like, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago before I got pregnant, and it did work. And I counted my macros. It actually worked for me, but it was kind of miserable. So I don't really know if that's the best thing for me. I might just kind of watch it and count it loosely, but not actually follow it as strict as I did when I was on the Katie Hearn challenge. So we have this huge whiteboard that we put on our wall, and it kind of gives us our stats and our goals and stuff. And then this part right here is my fiance's. This part right here is mine. I do write down my workout right here, but I mainly, and then I erase it right after, but I mainly have my weight right here, and then I have the date. So currently I weighed myself yesterday and I am at 177.2. 2 months ago, or a month and a half ago, I was at 177.4. So as you can see, I've been kind of just maintaining, and that has a lot to do with stress, work, and everything else, and me not eating properly. So that needs to change. I'm going to make that a priority for me, for myself, that I need to see these numbers go down. was an insane workout. As you can see, I'm totally dead, and it's exactly what I needed after a long day of work. Just wanted to be in my zone, in my own little world, and not worry about anything else going on. Let me know if you guys are interested in the series. I truly want to know your opinion about it. I am going to document the series or my journey either way. I just don't know if I'm going to put it on my channel. I do have my journey on Instagram. If you want to follow me down below, you'll see how much weight I lost during the Katie Hearn challenge before I had Elena. And then after having Elena, it's just been a struggle, a big struggle, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just trying to get back on track and just kind of hold myself accountable. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one going through this journey. So if you are going through a weight loss journey, whether it's postpartum or not, whether you're trying to lose a couple pounds because you want to get healthier, or you want to get shredded for the summer, or like my sister, you want to gain a couple pounds, comment that down below, because I am interested in your fitness journey, and I feel like if we can support each other, it'll make this whole weight loss thing or fitness journey a lot easier. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to turn on that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.